Okay, guys, I haven't done this in a long time because I haven't been home. I am back from school now for Thanksgiving break, so I can give you guys a chocolate plant update. For those that are new and don't know what I'm talking about right now, I've been doing this for the last 6 years or so. I've been trying to do updates the best I can, but since I've been away for college the last 2 years, it's been kind of difficult. So I'm gonna catch you guys up. These are all my plants up here, and I got more downstairs. This plant is from Hawaii. This is a passion fruit right here. That's part of the Hawaiian plant. And then down here, as you can see, you got some baby lemons growing on there. So they still got about maybe 3 or 4 more months to go. It should be probably by April, May-ish is when we should get them. So that's pretty cool. We have a ton on here, and then we got a lot of baby ones grown. Like this one is a new one. So that's a real good sign. Yeah, for those who don't know, this is what I do too. I have tropical plants, and I used to have chickens and ducks back a couple years ago. So it's pretty cool. Over here we got the banana tree, a couple giant leaves grown over here, and then we got the one tropical fig plant right there. We have another one outside. It's a Chicago hardy fig, but that one went dormant for the winter. Yeah, but we got a lot of figs off that one, and we got a couple baby ones in here, but nothing really too crazy. At least not yet. Next year we plan on getting a greenhouse, which is gonna go on this deck here. That's the plans of right now. So all these plants will be outside. It's gonna be a lot better. But as you can tell, we get a lot of sun in this room. But it's a very cloudy day out right now. It's snowing again, of course. But normally when it's sunny, it really heats up in here, and they do really well. It's just one of those days where it's very cloudy and snowy. So over here, for the last plant for upstairs, we have our palm tree. We had this for a bunch of years now. This is one of the original ones we started out with, but it's doing good. It doesn't really like direct sunlight, so it stays inside all year round. We used to keep it outside, but in the shade, but it likes it better inside, and it stays in here, so it gets plenty of light during the summer, and it does really well. So I'll take you guys downstairs and show you guys what we have in the garage. So this is upstairs, all the place we have upstairs for now. Okay, coming in the garage now, we have everything over here for now because we were redoing our basement, so we had everything in here, packed in here. So, tonight or tomorrow, we're going to be moving all this stuff over, and we have a platform for it. We're moving it back over to this corner. So I'll take you guys in here. This is a cactus plant over here. We got the cactus from the cactus fruit. This is the one I got in California, and if you look down in the very back there, right there, we had another one, but it broke in half on a transfer in. So now we technically have 1.5. But that one should recover back there. It's just gonna take a couple years. Right here is the orange tree. We've gotten one orange off it the last couple years. It didn't flower because we had such a very cold, weird spring. So it didn't get a chance to flower. So sadly, we're not gonna get any oranges this winter. But it's doing pretty good. This plant does really good here in the winter time. Surprisingly, I mean, it doesn't get the light from the outside a little bit, but we have the grow lights on them. So yeah, this is the orange tree, and we normally every August we cut the tops off them to try to keep it like more like a short bush. But as you can see, it grows back really quick. It does really good down here in the winter time. This is the dwarf banana tree. This one only gets between 2 and 3 feet tall. Recently, they've been getting a lot bigger. I don't know what we're doing, but whatever we're doing, it's pretty good. And normally this one dies off, as you'll see probably next update I give you. This is pretty going to die off, and we're just going to have a baby one start growing. And that's going to be our next generation. Right here we got the pineapple plant here. The leaves are falling off. I got to clean it up a little bit so it doesn't start rotting. But this is one of the original plants too we had since 2012. Since we've been having some weird winters and it hasn't been in the greenhouse yet, we haven't gotten any pineapples yet. But I think next year, once we get the greenhouse, all these plants are going to do so much better. Like you can see the pomegranate that goes a little dormant, but you can see already got new leaves growing. So it loses a lot of its leaves, but it normally keeps like around this much right here for the winter time. So then in the springtime, like when April and May come around, it just explodes back and it does really well. But I picked 2 pomegranates yesterday. They're really good. But it was only about maybe this big, not too big, not like the ones you see in stores. But hey, it's better than nothing. But like I said, everything's gonna do a lot better next year once they're in the greenhouse. Because they're gonna be outside in the straight sun, and we're gonna have a heater in there. It's gonna be really cool. We got big plans coming for next winter for these plants, so you can even do even better. And hopefully we can get some oranges and some more lemons. So we'll see what happens here, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this update. Like I said, a lot of you guys don't know I did this, but you get to look pretty deep in my channel for these kind of videos, and then when I used to have my chickens and ducks. So if you guys want to look at that, you guys will probably see something above. I'll make a playlist above it. You can see all the old ones. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think of. You guys want me to do more of these updates when I'm home. But I'll do them once in a while. Like, I'll probably do one probably in January. It's probably going to be the next one. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.